Hour and a half later since my 3 or 3:30 update, we're at 15 inches right now. It's still snowing 3 inches an hour. Pan around here. Look at the table there. I'll show you the ruler. This is unbelievable. I did not expect this much snow. My forecast, I would think it's safe to say, was definitely underdone. Look at this. I'm just going to put the ruler right into the ground here in the grass. Okay? That's 15 inches of snow. 15 inches of snow. And this band doesn't want to let up. This is one of the most impressive snow bands I've seen. And that says a lot because I've seen some pretty impressive snow bands. But this might be one of the best I've seen over this area. It is just relentless 2 to 3 inch an hour snows. And we're completely buried. Literally, we're going to end up with 17, 18 inches of snow, I think, when this is all said and done. And we'll look back, and this will be an historical storm for parts of North Jersey. Unbelievable. I'll have one more update when the storm is over, but take one last pan around. It's still snowing hard, and what a day it's been. It started really snowing at 12 o'clock. It's been 5 hours. Look at all the snow that's piled up. Unbelievable.